Who is Brenda?
She's my best friend. I like Brenda very much. What's this?
It's my new sleeping bag.
Why are you so happy?
Because I am going to go on holiday to an island.
When is your holiday?
It's next week. How old is your pet?
He's 2 years old.
Where's your cat?
Look, she's in the tree.